back to our second session. And for our second session, we are going to study Blueprint 2. So take out your Blueprint 2 textbook, everyone, workbook, and let's start. For this session, we are going to study Unit 2, Small Talk, page 11 to workbook. We are also reviewing grammar, simple present questions with what and how and intensifiers. New lesson, answer workbook to page 11. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson, everyone, let's have a quick review from our previous lesson. Review grammar, simple present questions with what and how, intensifiers. Intensifiers are the words, especially an adverb or adjective that has little meaning itself but is used to add force to another adjective, verb, or adverb. It is also in the phrase an extremely large man and a strongly object. Extremely and strongly are both intensifiers. So here's one example, everyone. What can you see of this picture? The girl is feeling cold, right? Therefore, how to make a sentence with an intensifier word? It's really cold. So where's the intensifier word in this sentence? Really, correct. So we give an add, or we add little bit force for this sentence, meaning it's really cold. It's really cold because it's snowing, something like that. But you can also say it's cold, meaning it's bearable. You know what I mean, everyone? Cold means a natural cold only, or usual cold that we feel for every day. For example, wind cold. So meaning you don't have to wear thick jacket of that weather. But if you say it's really cold, you intensify the sentence to create a force or to maximize the sentence. You got it, everyone? Okay. So let's move on, everyone, to our new lesson. Let's answer our workbook, page 11. Unit 2, Small Talk. Lesson 1, this weather. Now, I'm going to ask you, or let's answer number 1. Choose the correct answer and underline the intensifier. The intensifiers. So I will give you short time to finish this one. And let's listen to the conversation and check your answer. Alright, everyone, let's start.
Track 7.
What do you think of this weather, Alejandro?
I don't like it. It's too cold and cloudy in Chicago. I want to go home to San Juan.
How is the weather back home? Do you like it?
I love it. It's quite warm and dry there in winter.
What's the temperature down there now?
My mom says that it's about 26 degrees Celsius.
That sounds great.
Alright, everyone, so let's find out the answer after we hear the audio listening. Amy says, how do you think of this weather, Alejandro? I don't like it. It's too cold and cloudy in Chicago. I want to go home to San Juan. How is the weather back home? Do you like it? I love it. It's quite warm and dry there in winter. What's the temperature down there now? My mom says that it's about 26 degrees Celsius. That sounds great. So that is our answer for today's first lesson. Now, for our third and fourth lesson, you are going to finish this one, everyone, and send back your answers to your teacher's personal telegram, okay? Number 3, put the words in order to make sentences. So you are going to arrange each sentences to the correct one, okay? Then for our fourth, match the pictures and statements. Then write your answer to the questions. So you are going to write letter A, B, C to the number 1, 2, 3. And you are going to answer the question, what's the weather like today? So what do you think is the weather today, everyone? Write down your answer, okay? Now let's move on to our exercise for today. Complete the text with so and such. So and such is also an intensifier's words. So write this exercise into your notebook. Once you finish this exercise, everyone, don't forget to send back your answers to teacher's personal telegram. Okay, everyone? So that's it for our lesson for today, Blueprint 2 in our workbook. That's the end of our lesson, everyone, for both writing, Bright 1, and also Blueprint 2. I hope that you learn a lot today. And also, don't forget to finish your exercises, activities for today's, and also your homework. Don't forget. So I'll see you again next time, everyone. Keep safe and have a good day. Goodbye.